For the last 10 months, I moved in with my friends. We rented a house and sabay-sabay kami na doon nag-grind. Doon kami nag-work, we fix our routine, our diet, our fitness, and focus on the most important things. The main thing is we make each other accountable. In that same span, I came from only making 60k per month into scaling to 200k per month. That is because of the power of designing your environment where you can freely grow. Dati when I'm first starting out, nasa parents' house ko pa ako and doon naman talaga nagsisimula yung lahat. But it was the real struggle kasi nasanay ako na yung environment ko is para lang talaga mag-procrastinate and para matulog. And in order for me, para ma-maximize yung parents' house ko, is ito yung ginawa ko. Gumawa ko ng own space ko for work. Gumamit talaga ako ng willpower para lang magkaroon ng real progress. And then, when I made results, I moved to Davao and rented my own place. Studio apartment lang yun. Pagkatabi yung table ko for work and yung bed ko para matulog. Kaya most of the time, nagpo-procrastinate pa rin talaga ako. But in July of 2025, me and my friends decided na mag-rent ng isang apartment for a month dito sa Pasig. 2-bedroom condo and dun kami magla-lock-in. And that same month, I made 150k in a single month. And then, lumipat kami in province. Nag-rent kami ng 2-story house. And kasama ko pa rin yung mga friends ko dito. I've been making that 6 figures per month ever since. You don't design your environment. Your environment designs you. So, if your place is not optimized for work, for you to be a high performer, to be productive, and to scale up, not just in your place, but also with your friends, you won't be able to. The best way to level yourself up is to also level up your environment. Either gayahin mo ako na gumawa ako ng designated workplace sa bahay ko and to lock in with work, or mag-rent ka ng bahay kasama yung mga kaibigan mo and dun kayo mag-lock in ng sabay-sabay, making each other accountable. That's the peak lifestyle you can get if you want to lock in with your friends sa fitness, sa hustle nyo, and sa individual growth nyo.